If you're running a business in 2026 and you're not on Google, I have a harsh truth for you. You are invisible. Think about it. When someone needs a plumber, a lawyer, or the best taco in town, they don't check the yellow pages. They pull out their phone and type a "Near Me" query. That top spot is also not an accident. That is a well-oiled system operating on Google Business Profile. Welcome to Softtrix, and today I'm giving you the exact playbook we use for winning local SEO. This is all you will require to move past just having a listing to dominating your local market. So, let's dive in. Formerly known as Google My Business, your Google Business Profile is your digital storefront. But it's more than a business card. It's a credibility machine that, when properly optimized, does three things. It boosts your visibility so you land in the local 3-pack. It builds instant trust through reviews. And it drives real ROI, meaning calls and clicks, without spending a time on ads. If you don't have this, you're literally handing your customers to the guy down the street. This is why it is very important to set up your Google Business Profile. Now, if you already have this, pay attention, because most people mess up step 2. Step 1 is to go to business.google.com and search for your business. If it exists, claim it. If not, create it. And remember to always use a dedicated business email, not your personal Gmail. Step 2. Update the name and category. Use your real business name. Don't stuff the keyword just yet, but be surgical with your primary category. What this means is Thai restaurant is 10 times better than just restaurant. Step 3. Define your location and service area. Tell Google if you are a storefront or a delivery service. If you're mobile, set a service radius. Keep it within a 2.5-hour drive for the best local ranking. Step 4. Verification. This is the no-skipping zone. Whether it's a postcard, phone code, or video walkthrough, do it immediately. And a warning, don't edit your profile while the postcard is in the mail, or you'll reset the whole clock. Now, setup is just the starting line that every credible business crosses. Optimization is how you actually win. Here is the Softtrix secret sauce for 2025. Firstly, create a 750-character pitch. In your description, don't just say what you do, tell them why they should care. Mention special attributes like woman-owned, wheelchair accessible, or veteran-led. Second, provide visual proof. Profiles with high-quality, real location photos get significantly more clicks. Upload a clean logo and a professional cover photo. Show the human factor. Post videos of your team at work. Keep them under 30 seconds, and please do not use stock photos. They'll kill your credibility. Third, the review loop. Reviews are the heartbeat of local SEO. Don't just collect them, respond to them. Every single one, even the bad ones. Google favors active businesses that engage. Finally, use the Q&A section. Don't wait for customers to ask. Post your own frequently asked questions and answer them yourself. It's a massive time saver and SEO booster. At the end of the day, your Google Business Profile is prime real estate. It's the difference between a maybe and a sale. If you're ready to stop being invisible and start dominating local search, you need a strategy that moves with intent. We want to help. Let the team at Softtrix audit your profile, fix the gaps, and turn your listing into a lead-generating machine. Click the link in the description to book your optimization session today. Stop being a ghost. Start being the top choice. I'll see you in the next video.